वेलकम टू स्टॉक्स पावर यूट्यूब चैनल। आप सभी का स्टॉक्स पावर यूट्यूब चैनल में स्वागत है। आज का मार्केट हम लोग देखेंगे कि सेंसेक्स 355 पॉइंट्स अप है, 0.88% अप है। निफ्टी 50 95 पॉइंट अप है, 11,900 लेवल तोड़ के ऊपर गया है, 0.80%। ऑन बैंक निफ्टी जो है 25,771.60 पे है, जो कि 88.80% अप है। आज जो बैंक निफ्टी थोड़ा सा वीक लगी, 0.35% अप है। आप लोग कोई भी ट्रेड लगे तो आपके एडवाइजर किसी को पूछ के ट्रेड ले लो। विल सी फर्दर टुडेज गेनर्स एंड टुडेज लूजर्स। Top gainers are Indusland Bank. It went 31.45 point up, means 4.86%, which is top gainer for today. And Sun Pharma result was yesterday, which was 71% from last year, which went up. 19 point today, Sun Pharma went upside, 3.92 point up. DBS Lab is also in top gainer. Reliance. Reliance went after 2-3 days low. It was fallen down, so Reliance came up with good rally today. 62.80 it went up. Reliance 3.39%. And Infosys also is in top gainer with 31.40 point. It went up with 2.96%. We'll check top losers. Here are top losers. UPL was top loser for today. 15.70 it went down 3.76%. HDFC was also part of a loser today, 42.75. HDFC is looking weak. Hindalco 3.25. Axis Bank 9 point down. Power Grid Corp 2.85. These are the top losers and gainers for today. We'll check for tomorrow what stocks are important to take. Yesterday I gave Bank Nifty level, Bank Nifty took support over there and it went again. Today's also we'll check. Video में last तक बने रहो. We'll check all the stocks levels and Bank Nifty and Nifty also levels. Be in video till last. And I am going to show a strategy which is working very good with its chart. Be in video. Guys, before start I will show you something. If you want to learn this technique, you can comment below and tell me. I will make video on this level. See, we have to, how this he has given us. We have to buy above this candle, it gave this much profit. See, sell below this Nifty, it gave this much. This, so you have to sell below this, it did not went, it did not break the low of that candle, so avoid it. See this candle, it broke high up, it went upstairs. See, yeah, if you want to learn this technique, RSI, everything I use in this MACD, super trend, I'm moving average. If you want to learn, you can comment below and tell. I will teach you this technique, intraday technique, 5-minute chart setting. This is very best technique to earn profit. If you want to learn, you can comment below and share the video with your friends. Thank you. We'll check further the stocks for today or tomorrow. Stocks for tomorrow. Apollo Hospital. First stock is Apollo Hospital. If Apollo Hospital opens below 2150, go on selling with stop loss of 2160. If opens above 2165 and settles above 2165, then buy with stop loss of 2150, which is a crucial level there, which is having support at that level. I will show you on charts also what levels are support and resistance for Apollo Hospital. On charts, Apollo Hospital is looking weak below 2160. Check here, this is pivot for monthly pivot for Apollo Hospital. I said sell below this. Okay, if Apollo Hospital opens above, it can go upstairs. If opens below, it can go fall down. This level is a big crucial level for Apollo Hospital for support and resistance. If it opens above, it will act as support, and it opens below, it will act as 2160. Check the levels and buy. I every time says you all that check the levels, monthly levels, and buy in that way. Check trend lines. Okay, we'll check next stock. So second stock is Asian Paints. So Asian Paints opens about 2150, buy with stop loss of 2145. ओके 2150 के ऊपर जो ओपन होता है एशियन पेंट, तो 2145 के स्टॉप लॉस के साथ आप लोग बाई कर सकते हो उसको, पर आप लोग आपके एडवाइजर से एडवाइस लेने के बाद बाई कीजिए. ओके, सो इफ ओपन्स बिलो गो ऑन सेलिंग विद स्टॉप लॉस ऑफ 2155. इफ एशियन पेंट्स ओपन्स बिलो go on selling with stop loss of 2155. So we'll check in charts also. So here is Asian Paint charts. So if Asian Paint open above this line 2150 is pivot for monthly pivot for Asian Paint. If opens above that line, it can goes upstage. If opens below, it can goes down. If it's opening above pivot, the stop loss will be 2150 levels, and if it's open below, its stop loss will be above pivot 2150. So this level is crucial for Asian Paint. So I think it will open above and it will have a rally, good rally. It will give all the traders profit who will trade in Asian Paint. So we'll check next stock also. So third stock is SCL Tech. Buy with stop loss of 800 if opens above 810. 810 के ऊपर बाय होता है तो 800 के स्टॉप लॉस के हिसाब से आप लोग उसको बाय कर सकते हैं, और कल के सपोर्ट और रेजिस्टेंस देख के आप लोग बाय टारगेट अपना टारगेट और स्टॉप लॉस रख सकते हैं. तो सेल बिलो 790 विथ स्टॉप लॉस ऑफ 805. इफ इट्स ओपन्स बिलो 790, go on selling with stop loss of 805. So 800 level is very crucial level, so we'll check on charts further. So here is HCL Tech IT company. So if HCL Tech opens above support 1, it can go have a rally till pivot point 850. Okay, so above 815 or 810 it opens, keep stop loss of 800 and buy for a big rally. If it opens below 800, go on selling with stop loss of 805. 805 you can keep stop loss. So it can have rally if it's opens above, or if it's open up above support 1, this will act as support for HCL Tech. If it's open below support 1, this will act as support 1 will act as resistance for HCL Tech. So keep in mind these levels, and we will see next stock. So fourth stock is LT. If LT opens about 935, go on buying with stop loss of 929. LT जो 9 ओपन होता है 935 के ऊपर, तो आप लोग 929 का स्टॉप लॉस रख के बाई कर सकते हैं, और ओपन बिलो 925, गो ऑन सेलिंग विद स्टॉप लॉस ऑफ 935. जब 925 के नीचे जब ओपन होता है तो आप लोग 935 का स्टॉप लॉस रख के आप लोग सेलिंग कर सकते हैं. 929 the for LT it is support there is at 929. So we'll think of buying above 929 and selling above below 925. So we'll check in charts its levels. So here is LT stock. LT is taking support at pivot. See, all stocks are mainly 70% stocks are taking support at pivot. So this is crucial level, so I have given stop loss of today's low. If LT opens above this pivot, it can go upstairs, or if it can go till upstairs, it can have rally. If it's open below, it can fall down. So pivot point, which level is that, we'll check. So 933 to 935, 930 to 935 level will be crucial for LT, so it will take support at that zone. Okay, so if it's falling down, it can, if LT is falling opens below this level, pivot will act as resistance, and if it's open below this level will act as support for LT. We'll check Bank Nifty and Nifty also further, so be in video. So Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. Nifty and Bank Nifty levels are very crucial. Yesterday I gave the same levels will act as support and resistance for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if you have not watched yesterday's video, you can go and watch it. You can go and watch below there is link in description. So we will check the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels on charts. So the support and resistance are same as yesterday's. So Bank Nifty, yesterday we have said that Bank Nifty will take here support, and today the same has happened, that Bank Nifty took support and had rally again. So we will check at what level Bank Nifty had taken support. So this is 15-minute chart, and today yesterday as told here, see Bank Nifty has taken support here at these levels. You all can see the Bank Nifty has taken support here. Check here, this is 15-minute chart, and you can check here how Bank Nifty took support and went upwards. So if you have bought here, if you have bought here, you have got nice rally. We'll check Nifty levels also further. Wait. So in video we'll check Nifty levels also. So here is Nifty. Nifty is having resistance upside and support downside. I have told yesterday also that in this Nifty will trade in this level for 2-3 trades. If this level will break, then Nifty can go upstairs. If this level break downside, Nifty can fall down. So check these levels and trade in Nifty. We'll check how it went today in 15 minutes. So here is 15-minute chart for Nifty. How Nifty traded, check here. Nifty took support for pivot and went bounce back from pivot. So here is Nifty analysis for today. And if you like the video, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon for our videos update that will get when I will upload. So have a good trading day ahead, and best of luck for your trading. Thank you.